In this lesson, we're going to be talking about rational exponents. But to do that, we need to start with a review of the root of a number. The root of a number is basically an opposite idea to taking a number to a power. Square root 9. So the square root of 9 is how this is read. The root is the number that when squared yields the answer 9. So since 3 squared equals 9, the square root of 9 is 3. Here's another one with the cube root of 8. The root here is the number that when taken to the third power yields the answer 8. So 2 cubed equals 8, therefore the cube root of 8 is 2. There is an exception in that you cannot take a square root or any even root of a negative number and get a real number answer. Here we have the square root of negative 4. There is not a number that when raised to the second power gives us negative 4. Two negatives would make a positive, so it just isn't possible. For any case of a negative even root, we would say the root does not exist. The fourth root of negative 16 does not exist, because again, there is no number I can take to the fourth power that will give me a negative 16. Here's another example. The sixth root of negative 64 does not exist. Odd roots in other situations, you can take an odd root of a negative number. The cube root of negative 8 would be negative 2, as negative 2 to the third power is equal to negative 8. You can have a problem such as the negative or opposite of the square root of 16. Here, the negative is like having negative 1 times the square root of 16. So you would get the square root of 16 is 4, and then times by negative 1. So the final answer in this case would be negative 4.